So, a question is asked: Who is most powerful in this entire planet? A lot of people will say that, okay, the Prime Minister of India is the most powerful in India, and he has sizable power today. So yes, it is a position, and we go there to the US. I mean, if someone asks who is the most powerful person in the world, US today is the most advanced economy and also has a sizable clout and understanding in the United Nations. Therefore, it is the US which is the most powerful country, and the Prime Minister and the President of US is the most powerful man in the world. This can be said. However, when you just think about maybe last 20 years back, what was PM Obama doing then? President Obama doing then? President Obama had a very humble origin, and perhaps he was there in some village. And time passes gradually. Today, he became the president of United States. Later on, he will not be the president of United States. The power that he got, he will lose. So, in time, we appear powerful. Who is the most powerful then? All the people that you see today who you think that they are very powerful. However, the fact remains that these people are they don't have any real power, because power, it's not real, it is temporary. It comes for certain time, and then you can bask in the glory of the time. The great dictator Franco of Spain also lived enjoyed his power for around 39 years. But however, after that, something similar was with Aurangzeb of India, who ruled for 49 years. The question remains again and again that who is the most powerful? The most powerful object in the world is time. We are born in time. We don't know when we are going to leave the body. We don't know how we came. And time humbles all. If you think that you are powerful today, understand that you will be powerless one day. If you feel that you have a lot of deficiency today, you are weak, you will be made powerful by time. And time is temporary. Whatever you get is a temporary arrangement. So, how can we say that who is the most powerful? Most powerful object is the time. All the transformations happen in time. The Supreme Brahman, the Paramatman, there is no time there. And it does not changes. So, therefore, one should understand the beauty of all that and recognize that time is the most powerful thing in the world. Bye bye.